What's up, y'all? So we're gonna do something a little bit different today, and I'm gonna take you through my Saturday. Me and the boy against the world.
You in the past, I'm in the future. You mad, they don't salute you. I need a bag.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Keela Trishan, and I make videos on lifestyle, insurance, and mental health. I also do vlogs, day in the life in the insurance industry, day in the life with a small child, all the things. So if that's something that interests you, go on ahead and click that subscribe button below. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything from me. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back, and thank you for your support. All right, so I just brushed my hair up, put on just a little bit of makeup, and I'm about to get dressed. I'm getting the boy dressed, about to brush his teeth and all that jazz, and we are gonna go and pick up some groceries. Right now, I'm addicted to just like picking up the groceries, like setting the order and just going to physically pick them up. I noticed that I save more money just picking them up because I'm not browsing the store and buying a bunch of stuff that I don't need. So yeah, let's go on ahead and get ready. You wanna come here? Like your face. Don't look so angry.
Why?
Lotion on your face. Lotion. Vaseline, you know the drill. Come here. Time to put the lotion on your face.
Mr. Black? I'm in an elevator. We picked the wrong one. Wait, oh, it looks like we got a good elevator because Santa's here. Oh no, that's not Santa, that's the girl. I'm the elevator door. The scary monster.
Look at me.
You're the scary monster.
Wait, what does the scary monster?
Oh my gosh, never mind. Hey guys, look.
Well, let's see. I don't like oranges or apples. So, I'm gonna make a question like this. Which fruit?
Yeah, that's smart because you don't like fruit and vegetables. Okay, let me see what I like. I think I like apples too. They're just so juicy and good. Okay, you know what, guys? Let's all go down this slide. We've never done that before. Right. Okay, how about this, guys? Let's also go down the next slide with all three of us.
That's such a good idea.
And let's hope that. Oh yeah, that's right. None of the Spruggies actually have noses, so I've never.
All right, so we are ready. Y'all, this is like a quick side note, but I feel like I definitely got to get some more clothes. I feel like I like switch between the same like 5 to 7 outfits every week, just like comfortable stuff, but I'm getting bored, and every time I look for clothes, I don't see anything that speaks to me. So I'm trying to put together little Pinterest boards and stuff like that. The outfit that I have on right now, I've worn this in several videos too. It's my little trusty Amazon set. I don't have to think about it. It got the shirt and the pants, so we good to go. I have another one that is beige, but like I really gotta like work on my life. Anyways, my son, I don't know if y'all be going through this with your little babies, but it's like he didn't want to come into the bathroom for me to brush his teeth because he was watching his show. So I had to like try to angle, you know, his face to where he could watch the TV and get his teeth brushed. Then when I was trying to put on like the lotion on his face and, you know, make sure his lips weren't ashy, he wasn't trying to have me do all that either because he wanted to continue watching the show. So I'm just like, my God, we could have gotten ready so much quicker if I just got some act right, but it's fine. Let's go on ahead and head to Walmart first. Okay, put your shoes on. The glasses, they're now recording.
It's medical and glasses.
Mm-hmm. All right, come on. All right, y'all. So I am back from the store. I promise, I don't know what I be thinking when I get all these groceries and I do it when my husband is at work because I am sweating. Like I am like tired. Okay, turn the water off. Turn the water off. I am just like, oh my God. Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick little grocery haul. So BRB. All right, so quick little haul. We have some Honest Kids juice. I got the boy holding it because we don't have a lot of counter space. We got goldfish. We have some of these sandwich thins for sandwiches and breakfast sandwiches. Regular wheat bread, hamburger buns, some Carb Smarts, vanilla bars. These are kind of similar to the Haagen-Dazs bars that I really like. I wanted the ones with almonds, but they didn't have it. Chicken broth. We have some jasmine rice. We have some seasonings. Yeah, put it in right there. So I got some pepper, some smoked paprika, and cumin. We got some taco shells, carb balance, and corn. Fruit snacks, coffee pods. Let's see, what is this? I got an array of meats because I wanted to have enough for the week. So let's see. We got some boneless beef chuck. We got some boneless, skinless chicken breast. Here is a whole chicken. I have some chicken thighs, and then I also have some ground turkey under here. We got broccoli and Brussels sprouts, some mayo. Love Olipop, so I got some more of those. Got some tomatoes, and then over here is the some of the items that I got from Walmart. So I got some Dove soap, so some for mommy and daddy, some for baby, feminine products. Got some mouthwash, some Palmolive dish soap, deep conditioning mask. I really like these for my hair. They smell good and they make my hair very soft. Got this EOS lotion, some flushable wipes. We had 3 bathrooms, so that's why I have so many. Can't go wrong with some original Dove soap, and we got some Gillette razors. So, I don't know if I mentioned the salsa, but if I didn't, we got some salsa. All right, you guys, this is the rest of the haul. So I have an uncured pepperoni pizza boy for easy meals. Got some pears, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. These are cucumbers. I got 3 of them. I have some frozen vegetables. I get the California style blend with broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. Got some frozen kale, some frozen French style green beans. This is my dragon fruit. I usually get 1 a week. Got these shrimp spring rolls. I really, really like these. I have some bananas for smoothies and for quick snacks during the week. Got some organic pinto beans, refried beans, basically. Fat free. I always get that version now. And then I've got some red enchiladas. We have 12 eggs, some Kobe Jack cheese. I typically get the block these days because I just grate it myself. So, you know, it melts better and all that jazz. And then we have a crap load of 0 sugar vanilla yogurt. Me and my husband eat these during the week just for extra protein, a little snack or whatever. I got 10 so he and I can have enough for the week. Now, how could I forget the Johnny Pops? These I get from my son. He absolutely loves. All right, you guys. So I took like a little editing break because I have a video that I'm trying to post tomorrow. So I did that and just kind of was hanging out because Aruma was tired to put on them groceries away. But me and the boy are starving, so we're gonna have that little frozen pizza. It's getting real cold right now. So I have some lettuce and like cucumbers and tomatoes. Well, I just got the cucumbers and tomatoes today, but I have some lettuce from last week that I want to make or cut up and wash before it goes bad. So I'm probably gonna have like a little side salad or something with this, so it can be a little more substantial. Because the pizza's not that big. Like he's gonna eat half, and then I'm gonna eat the other half. I really, really wanted some McDonald's, honestly. And I know some people are like, ugh, McDonald's. And really, I be like that too, but it's times where that little 2 cheeseburger combo hit. I was headed there the other day on my lunch break, but when I got there, the line was like so long, and I just did not feel like sitting there. So I took it as a sign that I didn't need it. So I still want it, but my son, he said he'd rather have pizza. The only thing he wants from McDonald's is the pancakes, and it's after breakfast. So anyways, I was just checking in. We don't really have much going on besides that. And yeah, so let me go ahead and put this pizza in here and stop yapping. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. So, surprise, surprise, it's Sunday. I did not come back after that last clip to film anything else. I was tired, and honestly, there wasn't much going on, so y'all didn't miss anything. Right here, you just see me putting away some of those things that I got from Walmart the day before. And we're also doing laundry before we head out to go and run some errands for the day. after we got back from running our errands, I was looking at my desk like, yeah, nah, I cannot work like this. Y'all see this? This is crazy. So, wanted to go on ahead and tidy that up too. And then I'm also going to tidy up the kitchen counter. This isn't a heavy like cleaning weekend. I try to stay ready so I don't have to get ready, but I definitely wanted to have everything fresh for the week, at least downstairs. So my hair was in that crusty bun pretty much the whole week. So I'm just getting my hair supplies together so I can wash it, and I'm just going to throw it back in a ponytail. All right, y'all. So that was the choppiest vlog I probably have ever filmed, but I apologize. There was a lot going on. I was tired and I tried to get as many clips as I possibly could. But, anyways, I did wash my hair. I wasn't doing anything fancy with it because I have a work meeting this week. And I really don't have like 5 business days for my hair to dry. So I just towel dried it, put some gel, and did this little ponytail type situation. So it's still kind of damp and all that, but I'm about to take a shower and go eat something and chill for the rest of the night. If you enjoyed my choppiness, my realness, definitely go on ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If there's anything else y'all want to see, let me know. This is the year of me trying different content out because I am more than just insurance. If you made it this far and have not subscribed, please go on ahead and click that subscribe button below. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything from me. With that being said, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.
You mad that they don't salute you. I need a bag, super. Hey, turned your back, it's like I never knew you. Leave